Hello, this is one of our newly built industrial muffle furnace. It is mainly used for steel parts heat treatment, such as quenching, annealing, normalizing, and tempering. As you see, we built this furnace with a manual sliding car bottom, which makes it easily for loading and unloading when processing the steel parts. The furnace chamber is built with 5 heating sides, namely left, right, rear, front, and bottom. This will make the furnace chamber temperature more even. Also, we designed 3 heating zones in this furnace chamber. The type N one place. You will see it inside there too. Okay. Also, we designed the exhaust system on the top and an air inlet on the bottom of the floor. Okay, I have a chance to drive in the car bottom. This is the outlook of the whole furnace. Okay, thank you. If any requests on muffle furnace, just please remember me, Caleb. Thank you.